That's why I don't feed into like social media too much. Like the information that I get on there, it's more so like, all right, that information is cool. Now let me do my own research. Like that's not how I started though. Like I got scammed because I didn't do my own research. Like I got scammed.
Spoke about that.
Yeah, I got scammed for $14K because after COVID, I was so thirsty to start making money. I believed in a mentor, and he just scammed me. And another person as well. In real estate, which was what I wanted to get into. And
it's not from the brunch, is it?
Nah. This was before we met. This was like a year prior. We could talk about how we met too, but
no, I mean the audience knows the vlog is there.
Yeah. I'm one of the first vlogs too, like from back in the days too. But yeah, that was like 2 years after. But like I got scammed, and it was because I didn't believe in myself. I feel like I took that. I'm like, yo, bro, like if I would have invested this money myself, I would have rather, the results from that. But I invested into somebody else that had the power now. So I felt powerless at that moment. I'm like, yo, I'm never doing that again. So every time like I see something online or I see something that's interesting, I always do the back end research, because things on the internet could sound cool, but it's not really that dope. Even with them and Earn Your Leisure, like I love them, I love the platform, but I always do my own research as well. So
no, definitely.
Hopefully they'll unblock you, bro, because we need every perspective. Other
don't let me want either I'm pushing like a McLaren or a Lambo and saying I'm the biggest trader out here and I have a $5,000 course, or they're gonna wait till they see me like up on like I don't know, BET or another black-owned network or something like that.
Yeah, I know this is my interview. I mean, your interview for me, but question several. How would I be able to get into trading though? Like, say if I got like 10K, well, not that much. Let's say it's not like.
We gotta be careful what we say on camera. That's one thing.
Okay.
But yeah, I won't have the FCC or is it SEC or whatever.
Yeah, for sure. This is not financial advice.
Yeah, we just had a financial advisor that could have done that, but no. I mean, getting into trading it's funny because the game is different from where I started. Because that's why even for me right now, it's like because I don't really trade the winter, so it's like I took the winter off. All this stuff happened, all these regulations, all these new laws and stuff.
Yeah,
new ruling to where it's like now I'm just as lost as you basically in terms of where to start. But in terms of education, it's like okay, I could guide you there, but in terms of actually like doing it, like partaking in the markets, I'm kind of lost in that aspect of like trading, like this newfound like trading. Well, not newfound, but these new platforms basically.
Yeah.
The thing is new. I gotta one day sit down, go on YouTube, and learn how to use these things. Because listen, as long as y'all get me into this, I'll do the trading. Just get me into the system. You see what I'm saying?
Got you. Yeah, that's why I just focus on like stocks. Like I just dollar cost average. For those that don't know, dollar cost average is when you just put the same amount every month. So I just put the same amount every month. On rare occasions, I load the boat a little bit more when if I get a tip or something, or I see something that I like and it's at a decent enough price, I'll put more money into the stock or the ETF. But other than that, I just dollar cost average into my favorite stocks.
Yeah, I've been going more the crypto route recently.
Yeah, I gotta get into crypto because
I gotta check out that episode.
Yeah,
the episode I did with 10 trades audience. I gotta check that out. That's the episode I want to see.
You could actually use business funding to invest in.
Of course,
in stocks too. You just gotta liquidate the bread. Now, once you liquidate the bread, if you got a play to make your profits before the 12 months is up, you super solid because once you liquidate, you have that cash now.
Yeah.
And you can actually really leverage business funding to get yourself the bag, So
it's the same with trading too, actually. Like I remember, this is probably me knowing anything about business funding and whatnot, but my friend was saying like he took a credit card for like $5,000, he loaded his account. Because because the thing is, so like with at least this is how Forex used to be done. Like when it comes to like the IMO days, what they used to tell us to do was like you'd give us an unregulated broker, which was a red flag. They'll tell us to go to the broker and deposit Bitcoin, right? Because that's how they took the money. They didn't do ACHs and stuff like that. and from the crypto will go from your account into your bank account to your trading account, right? So that's basically how you fund your account. So what he did was he took his credit card, he'd buy crypto on like Instacoin or one of these things, and then he would take that crypto in his wallet, like a regular crypto wallet, because that's what most of these are, right? You could do the same with Coinbase. He would take that crypto and then just transfer it to the broker's wallet, and then the broker just takes that cash, puts it in there.
Jeez.
Yeah, so that's how he's doing it. But he was doing it for credit, so he would just take his profits and pay back the card.
You got to get it how you get it. Whatever really finding is necessary, bro.
But that sound risky though. Yeah,
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, because this is us in our beginning phases too. So it's like he could have went left and been 5K and right.
You put out of that.
No, you can't for sure. But it's just like, imagine you fresh out of college, no job, and it's like, boom, I'm about to just drop 5K, like.
Yeah, nah, that's tough.
Like, cause like a lot of us, we all came out of school broke college students.
What